How to use Google Maps on PC and laptop. So for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open Google, and then we're going to tap this one right here, and then we're going to open Google Maps. So yeah, this is Google Maps right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you something. So say for example, what you're going to do is try to check these rows right here. What you can do is just try to grab this little man right here, and then you can go ahead and drop it where you want to use it. For example, I'm going to drop it here, and as you can see, it is allowing me to see these street view. And yep, this is actually pretty amazing. Now you can go ahead and use your mouse here in order for you to be able to somehow navigate the area. And say for example, you want to see changes of these places here, you can just go ahead and click the option here. It says see more dates. I'm going to click it, and then you have here different choices. For example, the latest one is 2023. The oldest one here is November 2015. I'm going to go ahead and try it in order for me to see the changes. There you go. So pretty awesome, right? Now you can see how change or what the changes have been going on in the past couple of years. So yeah, that is just one of the use that you can do for this one. For example, I'm just going to close this. You can also just go ahead and type here the location. For example, I'm going to try to look for say for example this place right here. Okay, there you go. So the moment I do that, you should be able to see this one here in the left pane. Now you can go ahead and scroll and check the reviews. If say for example people have liked this, or if you want to see foods, and then if you want to see more information about it, you can also click the about here. So yep, that is basically how you are going to use Google Maps on PC.